perfect. As usual, ang first song ng show ang kailangan na may pinakamalakas na impact. At talagang sinigurado namin ng G-Force at ng band na panalo ang opening act. Salamat na lang dahil based from the loud cheers and applause of the audience, mukha namang sulit ang lahat.
Day one was more of a popstars thing talaga. I have never seen anything like that. I think that's loyalty, you know? I mean, that's dedication. And it was so inspiring to see the popstars and to see them achieve that.
Grabe, parang, ano ba, concert pa to ng foreign artist. Concert ko pala yan, wow naman. Maraming salamat po sa sobrang thank you po sa Popstars kasi alam kong malaking gastos yan sa kanila. Thank you very much po.
On fire si Sarah nung pino-perform niya yun. So, it's actually just going back to the basics. We just went back to the basics and I feel that it paid off.
Kasi kumakanta pa siya, kami dancing lang, pero ang hinga namin talagang laban.
Day one concert was surreal actually. Parang ang sarap ng feeling maka-perform si Sarah. Mararamdaman mo talaga na ang pagmamahal ng audience sa kanya. Pagsampa mo lang pa lang sa first song and everything, as in nararamdaman mo na talaga na, you know, this is it. Parang we're performing with Sarah and we're performing with for these people.
yung mga ginawa niya na songs dahil all originals. Kumbaga, ramdam mong she's performing with all pride and
Her heart
Yeah.
and soul. Challenging siya on my part pagdating sa pagsising and dance. But then, na-enjoy ko naman po. And na-challenge talaga ako kasi hingal yun eh. Sobrang hingal. Yung Wakalator o ideas lahat yan ni Direk Paulo. Thank you, Direk. Yan. Yun. Something new sa career ko, sa concert scene.
That was one of my favorite parts. That whole stretch of just her dancing and doing, what she's known for, singing and dancing. And I love that part so much.
Perfectly imperfect.